This is cool though. I like the roof, the design of it. Going out. Whoa. And look at the moss too. There's moss growing on the ground, on the flooring. Yeah, Andrea pointed that out. There's a big hole right there. I'm not standing on any of that. But this was someone's bedroom. That's freaking insane. Alright. Climbed up the stairs. Yeah, this buckled wood. It's something else. Like all that flooring. That's the creek that feeds this lake, if there's not more creeks that feed it too. And this neat house. That's awesome looking. Look how the wood's all warped, the ceiling's all warped. And I'm trying to see if it has a front entrance, but I don't see one. I don't really want to crawl in this grass, but it's so far gone. Old wheelbarrow inside.